In this video, we're going to explore color blending with oil pastels. You could choose the lighter green springtime colors or the orange colors like you might see in fall. For my project, I'll use the green colors you might see in the summer or spring. I start with the darker colors, the dark green colors, and I'm choosing to put them on the edges. Next, I'm using the medium green and working towards the lighter and lighter colors. You can still see a lot of the paper showing through, so this has not been blended yet. I'll use my lightest color, the yellow, to smear or blend together the colors. Notice how on the bottom of this leaf, that's called blending. The top is not blended. The colors have not been mixed together. It was colored, but it wasn't blended. Blended means to mix things. And the light colored pastels work really well for mixing together the darker ones that you laid down first. For the background, I'm going to use darker colors in the corners and edges. This is a technique called vignette. And as we move nearer to the leaf, I'll work towards lighter colors there. I'm starting with a little bit of black around the edge and in the corners, and dark blue next, working my way around. You'll notice I'm not being super careful here because I know this is all going to get blended later. Right now I'm just coloring without blending, and now the light blue. And you can still see it has that sort of lightly colored look where some of the paper is showing through. But now that I'm moving on to the white color, this is when the blending happens. This lightest color oil pastel, notice how it smears together, it mixes with the blues and blacks. And that is how we know we have blended the colors. So this bottom section, that's blended, the top is not blended. Completing the picture with the white oil pastel to blend all the colors together, look at what a difference that makes. As you move to the other designs, you might choose to make your flower in the blues with a little bit of red and purple, or you might choose a warmer color palette, the yellows, oranges, and reds. It's your choice, just make sure you blend the colors together. In the space on the side, you can practice color blending. Here's an example using red, purple, and blue. And you can see areas that I've blended and areas I haven't blended. If you want to go for a little different challenge, you could try to make something look realistic, like this three-dimensional apple. This is a more advanced technique, and you're welcome to try it now. We are Create Humboldt. What will you create?